Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a look at https://vpn.ac. This VPN provider presents a compelling option for those seeking online privacy and security. VPN.ac offers a robust suite of features designed to protect your digital footprint and bypass geographical restrictions. Let's dive into the specifics and explore what makes this service noteworthy. One of VPN.ac's key strengths lies in its commitment to strong encryption. Utilizing advanced protocols, your data is shielded from prying eyes, safeguarding your sensitive information from potential threats. Whether you're browsing on public Wi-Fi or concerned about government surveillance, VPN.ac provides a secure tunnel for your online activities. Furthermore, VPN.ac boasts a vast network of servers strategically located across the globe. This extensive server network enables you to connect to various locations, effectively masking your IP address and granting access to geo-restricted content. Imagine streaming your favorite shows from anywhere in the world. VPN.ac makes that a reality. Beyond the technical aspects, VPN.ac excels in its user-friendly interface. The software is designed for simplicity, allowing even novice users to navigate and configure their VPN connection with ease. This intuitive approach removes the complexity often associated with VPN services, making online security accessible to everyone. Another crucial element of VPN.ac's offering is its strict no-logging policy. This commitment to privacy ensures that your online activity remains private and is not tracked or stored. This is paramount for individuals who prioritize their anonymity and data security in today's digital landscape. In conclusion, VPN.ac presents a well-rounded VPN solution that balances robust security features with user-friendly accessibility. From its strong encryption and vast server network to its no-logging policy and intuitive interface, VPN.ac offers a compelling package for anyone seeking to enhance their online privacy and security. Check out the link in the description below for more information and to explore their various subscription options.